And there's another legal test out there called the Reeves test, which isn't talked about so much.
Yeah.
That is basically, that has two prongs to it. One is the family resemblance, which is a strange term, but kind of, does this investment contract look like other investment contracts that are out there, stocks, equities, bonds, and so forth. And the horizontal common enterprise test, which is it's kind of like the common enterprise, I suppose, whether the fortunes of the investor are tied in with the issuer, as it were. So
Yeah.
now, could we do better than these two tests that are out there? Most probably. The Howey test, for example, was based off a Supreme Court case from 1946, or about then, a very long time ago anyway. And the world has changed a lot since then. I think when it comes to digital assets, there are a lot of rules that could do with updating. The SEC has said consistently, under the current chairman Gensler, that we don't need new regulations and so forth. We just need to follow the existing regulations. I mean, nobody really believes that. I don't think nobody in the real world really believes that. And until recently, you kind of had to go along with that. But some folks, maybe we'll get into this later, some folks have brought lawsuits against the SEC. And you can look at what the judge is saying, multiple lawsuits around this topic of digital assets and are the existing regulations suitable. And you can tell that, put it this way, the judges are either ruling against the SEC or at least commenting that the rules are very difficult to understand. So I think there's a clear need for some better regulatory clarity here.